Hi friends, in the previous class we have discussed about graphs of the pair of linear equations two variables of 10th class SSC syllabus, and now one of the question taken from March 19, that is sum of the present ages of two friends are 23 years. 5 years ago the product of their ages was 42. Find their ages 5 years hence. Okay, na? This is the question I'm going to explain. Okay, before that, I'm small request friends, please subscribe my channel, then you can watch all my videos, and also if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box, and also if you want any require also, please comment. Thank you and listen. Here statements are given, sum of the present ages of two friends. Okay, na? Here two friends are mentioned and their ages of sum is 23. Sum means what? Addition plus. Sum means plus. Two friends ages. First of all, let I am taking two friends are. I am taking two friends are A and B. I am taking A and B are two friends I am taking. So let age of A is called some X, and age of B equal to some Y. Okay, and first statement is what? Sum of the present ages. So given that sum of present ages are 23, so that is equal 23. Present ages, what are the present ages? X and Y, and do sum means what? Add. So x plus y is equal 23. This is equation 1. This is one of statement. And next statement, 5 years ago means for the first 5 years, before 5 years. Okay, I'm taking statement 5 years ago. What about their ages 5 years ago? For example, now one of person age is 20 years. What's the age of 5 years ago? His age 20 minus 5, 15 years. So like that, the age of A is X years now. So 5 years ago his age was X minus 5. Therefore, age of A 5 years ago is equal to X minus 5. Similarly, age of B, this is also 5 years ago, so that is called Y minus 5. So what about condition when 5 years ago? The 5 years ago product of their ages was 42. So at this time product of age is equal product of age when 5 years ago is equal to how much? 42. Therefore product means what? Multiplication. What is the multiplication? The ages which are ago 5 years, the product. So x minus 5 is y minus 5. So for their product means multiplication is equal 42. Now I am explaining this, simplifying this. X into y, xy, x into minus 5, minus 5x, minus 5 into y, minus 5y, minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25 is equal 42. The next step, 25 I am sending right side. So xy minus 5x minus 5y is equal 42 minus, yes, 25 send right side, it becomes minus 25. So what about 42 minus 25? How much? 17. Am I right? Check it. Then and next xy, in these two which is common? Minus is common, 5 is common. Okay, take out minus 5 common. Minus 5 took common, remaining is x. Minus 5 also took common, remaining y. In the between symbol is plus. And next xy we don't know, and minus 5 as it is. What about x plus y? From the equation 1, x plus y is equal 23. So instead of x plus y we can write 23 is equal 17 as it is. Next xy minus 5 into 23. 5 3 is 15 5 2 ja 10, 1 11 is equal 17. Now xy equal 17 minus 115, send right side, it becomes plus 115. Add this 7 plus 5, 12, 1 plus 1 plus 3 and 1, 132. Xy equal 132. Okay, now we have x plus y equal 23, xy equal 132. Using these two, we can solve and we can find x and y values. Okay, now let us see. We know the formula of x minus y whole square. Actually, we know x square plus y square minus 2xy. But in terms of x plus y and xy, is that x minus y whole square minus 4xy. You can check whether it is right or wrong. Sorry, x plus y whole square minus 4xy. X minus y whole square, we don't know, keep it as it is. What is x plus y? X plus y is 23. So 23 whole square minus 4. Xy means what? Xy means 132. So into 132. Now 23 whole square. 3 square 9, 2 to the 4, 3 to 12. 529. 23 square means 23 into 23. That becomes 529 minus 4 into 132. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4, 1 5, which is called 1. So x minus y whole square equal to 1. Taking square root on both sides, we get x minus y equal to 1. Okay, now this is taken as equation 2. Okay, we got two equations. One is x plus y equal to 23, one is x minus y equal to 1. So now I am going to solve these two equations. Here both x coefficients are same and y coefficients are same. So adding 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 adding. First one is x plus y equal to 23. Second one x minus y equal to 1. Adding both. X plus x 2x. Y minus y cancel is equal 23 plus 1 24. Next x is equal 24. See, x as it is written and is equal 24 also as written in the same way. But what about 2? It is in multiplication. Send it to right side. When it goes to right side, the multiplied number becomes denominator, goes to division. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So x is equal to how much? 12. Then and next equation 1 minus equation 2 implies, what is first equation? X plus y equal to 23. Second equation x minus y equal to 1. I am subtracting, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, minus x minus x cancel. Y plus y, 2y is equal 23 minus 1 22. Here also y equal 22 as it is. 2 is in multiplication, send right side, goes to denominator. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. Y equal 11. What is x? Age of a, means present age of a. And was y, present age of y. But what is asking? Their ages, but not only present ages. After 5 years is asking. Therefore, age of a after 5 years is equal to x plus 5. Because of we have taken present age x, we want after 5 years, so we should add and more 5 years, that is x plus 5. What is x value? 12. So 12 plus 5, how much? 17 years. So our age of capital A after 5 years, 17 years. And similarly age of B, when after 5 years, age of B taken as y. So y plus 5 can be taken because of we want after 5 years. 5 years hence means next 5 years. What is y value? 11. So instead of y substitute 11 plus as it is, 5 as it is. 11 plus 5, 16 years. Okay, this is the solution. So the ages of friends, 5 years hence are 17 comma 16 years respectively. Okay, so 2 times it is repeated. That is, solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, now we can extend the question like by reducing into pair of linear equation and solve the equations. Okay, given that first one 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to, and second one 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So in both, what is common? 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 is common, and here also by y minus 2 common, here also by y minus 2 is common. So let I am taking 1 by x minus 1 is some p, 1 by y minus 2 is some q. Okay na? So I am removing the question. We have written already what is mentioned in the question. So what I am going to write? What is this? 3 na? 3 na 5 na?
3.
Stop. So let I am taking before this 1 by x minus 1 equal to p, 1 by y minus 2 equal q. Substitute in both equations. So then 5 by x minus 1, it is written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1. I am writing one more step for our convenience. Okay na? So now 5 into 1 by x minus 1 becomes what? P, plus 1 by y minus 2 means q is equal to equation 1. Similarly, this is also written as 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is becomes 6 into p minus 3 into q is equal to 1. It is taken as equation 2. Okay na? Now simplifying these two equations. Observe this both equations. Here p coefficient is 5, here p coefficient is 6. Okay, we have to equate both the terms. Here it is 5p, here it is 6p. How can we equate both? If you multiply with this 5, it becomes 5 into 6, 30. Here it is 5 is there. So multiply with 6. 6 into 5 becomes 30. So it becomes 30, it becomes 30. After subtracting, we get cancel these two terms. Okay na? See, first equation multiply with 6. So 6 into equation 1 implies equation 1 is going to multiply with 6. So 6 into 5, 30p, 6 into q, 6q, next is equal 6 into 2, 12. Then next second equation is multiplied by 5, 5 into 6. So I multiply with 5, equation 2. That implies 5 into 6, 30p, 5 into minus 3.
ఇదేంటిదిరా
5 into 3, 15q is equal to 5 into 1, 5. Then minus subtracting, minus 30p plus 30p cancel, 6 plus 15, 21q is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. Then q equal 7 by 21, q equal 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 1 by 3. And then substitute q value in equation 1 or 2. So I am substituting q equal to 1 by 3 in equation 2. So 6p minus 3 into q. What is q value? 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So 6p minus 3 cancel, remaining 1 is there. So 6p equal to 1 plus 1. 6p equal to 1 plus 1 2. p equal to 2 by 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. p equal to 1 by 3. So we got it. P value is 1 by 3. Q value is 1 by 3. So p value 1 by 3. P means what? P means 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 3. Taking reciprocals of both sides, x minus 1 equal 3. Then x is equal to minus 1, send right side. 3 plus 1. So x is equal to 4. We got it, x value. And similarly take q. What is q value? Got it, 1 by 3. Q means what? 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2 equal 1 by 3. Taking reciprocals, y minus 2 equal 3. And y equal 3, minus 2 send right side, it becomes plus 2. So y equal to 5. Therefore solution is x comma y equal 4 comma 5. This is the solution. So we first assume that 1 by x minus 1 equal to p, 1 by y minus 2 equal to q. Substitute in both equation, it can be reduced into terms of p and q, p and q. We have to solve this. To solve this, we should equate the P coefficients or Q coefficient. Here I did P coefficients equate. To equate both, here 6 is multiplied with 5 becomes 30. Here 5 is multiplied by 6 becomes 30. And then subtraction, get Q value and substitute in equation to get P value. And P, Q nothing but P means 1 by x minus 1, Q means 1 by y minus 2. From this we got it x comma y minus 2. So friends, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.